Yep, so 199s I still have in my active trader. That makes the most sense at the moment. 199 calls. So it's dropping into pre-markets distribution. We got 52 seconds until cash open. So not 199 calls are going for $34 per contract, which is amazing. We'll see how that holds up at cash. VIX is just above the 20 at 22.75. Yep, at the moment. So I would love for it to go into the 170, 197s, but we can already see some rejection with cash about to open. All right, and we are opening now. Hmm. Well, they need to fix the spread first. Right now, they're selling it for $140, so I'm not touching it until they update the spread, which need to hurry up. Okay, now it's $62 per contract. There's a little bit of a wall at the top. All right, I'm entering calls here. 199, $62 per contract. Right at that pre-market. Right at that pre-market. Oh, okay, just got my first TP at 72. Wow. Okay, let's keep going. 82 would be the t and just got it. 82. Actually, it should be 83. It just hit 83. So I may got caught up in some market slippage. So just got that's it. Done and done. 62, 72, 82. Right at that pre-market value area. And it's still popping. Oh, and I didn't notice this, but there are absolutely no sell orders. All buying on the books. Yep. They keep flashing and going away, flashing and going away. 96 right now. Wow. 94. I am done and done. So price is now at 94 and climbing. Oh, there's a big sell order. And they keep removing it. They pop in and remove it. So they're definitely taking profits right now. But ooh, look at that. Look at the buyers. Great way to end the week. Man, this has been an awesome week. Now it's at 99. A little bit of sell popping in, but nothing too crazy. There's a big one that's like at 199. So I would probably take profit 199.50 or even sooner. At least move your stop, lock in. But there's one that's just got some staying power at 199.50, 199.60. And I'm seeing some buy stops get hit too. So uh may want to think about taking profit. And right now it's at $1. But let it pay you as long as it want to pay you. It looks like that's trying to take profit though. But there's a wall of buying that has not moved. A little bit of a sell, but it's they keep pulling it. And you can see the buyers are still in there. 103 is the now sell price. Okay, I see you guys are popping in there. Okay, good. You guys are, this is a, oh man, I'm excited. I love the way this week has gone. And let's see, there's a nice little cell wall that popped in too that's got some staying power. So if you hold in, you may want to think about moving your stop a little tighter. Oh, never mind. It just went away. They pulled that order, but it's still one staying at the 199.50 area though, and that hasn't moved at all. So I mean, that's not to say it won't if price get up there, because they could pull it. So they played the value area pre-market, 198.08 to 197.74, and still going. Yeah, yeah, I would think about taking some because I'm seeing volume, I'm sorry, getting heavy and heavy at this price point right now that is not budging. And it's the next 5 minutes. So, and the crazy part about it, there's no buying distribution that popped in. I'm sorry, a buying imbalance that popped in. This is just straight order book. Oh, there's a wall of selling right now. Intense, I mean, very intense wall. So move your stops tighter, maybe. I can't tell you what to do. Or maybe take everything because they're coming. Sellers are coming. At least maybe taking profits anyway. All right. Well, I am done and done. Let me move over to you all and see how you all did. Okay, my screen is acting a little funny. All right, cool. Actually, let me double check my orders to make sure I'm done. This TOS can trip sometimes. Yep, everything's done. No working orders. All right. Let's see how you all have done. I'm expecting some green. Okay, let me go all the way to the top. So you all had issues with hearing me today? Make sure calls, contracts. Yep. Okay. Sound check. Okay. Let's get some money. Getting sound on YouTube. I haven't even posted it yet, so I'm not sure what you mean, Barry. Okay, you can hear me good. All right. Check your Discord. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, some having issues hearing, some didn't. Looks like it was two. So let's see. Light 78 to 88. Yep, you are very welcome. Great week, y'all. 62 shows 80. Yeah, that thing popped. Even with 80, there should have been some money being made there. Because I don't know what it is right now. Let me see. And it's dropping. So right now it's you can sell it as 96. So even with 80, you should have been in profit. But that would be a pretty wide field if you got in at 80. Because by the time you got in at 80, I was damn near done. But that was a quick pop up there. To quick profit 76 to 85. Okay, cool. Fire. Um, 80. Is that 80? You got 806 to 86. I'm not sure what that is. Is that 80 to 86? Yep. See, the sellers are coming in now. They're taking profits and whatever. And let me see. There's nothing on the books buying or selling. So still trying to figure out what it's going to do. Everything got pulled. 78 to 85 to 93 to 92. Okay, fire. 78. So yeah, the looks like the fills were off for a lot of you all for mine. But still enough to make profit because right now you can sell it for 88 if you got in at 80 or 78. So 78 to 86 to 98 fire. 78 to 85, 10 contracts out at 95. That's awesome. 77 to 103 fire. I'm guessing that's some runners. 80 to 81 out at 88.95. Okay, cool. Fire. Interactive brokers seem to give a lot of people issues. What a week. Yes, this has been an amazing week. I appreciate that. I'll take that. Especially this week. Let's see. And in six contracts, 75 sold at 82, and then one at 84. Okay. Fire, fire, fire. 79 to 86, flip down, flippage down. That's profit though, right? 79 to 86. Should have gotten 89 because right now is at, I mean, it's 92 at the moment. 81 to 93, trying to figure out, oh, your Interactive Brokers Mobile. Bought at 61, got a better price than me. Sold at 81, 86, 90, and 102. Fire. Fire, fire. Nice profit in futures. Yep, fire. 60. Goat. I appreciate it. I agree. And I dare somebody argue with me. LeBron is not the GOAT, but that's for another Discord. 70, 76 to 84 to 102. Fire. Yeah, it was a frustrating profit. Trying to figure out profit, right? Not the GOAT. Ah, yeah, that's true. It- That's a good problem to have to figure out profit. Because right now you could sell it for 102 again, 104 now, excuse me. Interactive Broker showed that 80 when I entered at 62, never dropped below 80. Yeah, that pop was hot and strong. 'Cause I don't know too much about Interactive Broker guys, but I'm a huge fan of Thinkorswim, which was once TD Ameritrade, now Charles Schwab. No issues, everything great. Good. 75 to 85, trailing stop at 108. Fire. Did not trade because price was at 82 when I got in at 72, so you skipped it. Yeah, I mean that's un I mean that's a big gap, right? So I and there's nothing wrong with that. Caution. Amber M 77 to 87 ran up to 106, $225. Fire. I hope nobody's holding now because that seller's definitely in the mix. They are definitely come to play. 2 days in a row, no entry. What broker are you using? I'm not affiliated with Thinkorswim or Charles Schwab. They don't pay me, but I've never had an issue with Charles Schwab and even TradeStation either. People who've been here long enough know that the only reason I switched over is because of at the time I was using the web base. So I don't know too much about interactive brokers if that's what you're using, but if you're having issues with entering, I would think about another broker. They don't deserve your money if you can't even participate. 76 to 86 to 88 fire. 75 to 85 to 95 fire. Yeah, absolutely. What a week it's been. 77 to 85 fire. 79, 91, and 101. Awesome, awesome, awesome. 12 contracts today, 76 to 84 fire. Yeah, so it looked like it was two of you all that were having issues with hearing 80 to 90 to a dollar fire. 79 to 95. Yeah, that's 60, 62. I mean, that was right at, so I pretty much entered, I gotta go the exact time, but right at 198.26. So maybe right at
Yeah.
this structure. the was it higher structure of last session. 75 to 85 to 95. Fire. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Great call. Yeah, yep, yep. Texas Jetty is back. Yeah, yeah. Okay, interactive broker is very limited in Canada. It's not good for day trading. Yeah, I don't know too much about it. I've heard that before. Just use Charles Schwab. Yeah, I don't know the limitations on countries, but I'm a big fan of them. All right, guys, great, everybody. Great way to close out the week. Great week in general. Right now, price is stuck. Still selling at $96 though. So, but that is it for me. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Yep, you're very welcome. Have a great weekend. Let's see if we can keep this ball rolling. Yep, you're very welcome. Let's see if we can keep this ball rolling. $2,800 this week? Okay. So I'm gonna need your number so I can get a loan. That's fire. Awesome. That's awesome. Celebrate this week. Yep, yep. Yeah, so only TC, only my wife calls me that. Yeah, you're very welcome. Very welcome. All right. All right, everybody have a great rest of your Friday. Have a blessed weekend, and I will see you all Monday morning. Peace.